Hi, and welcome to another video of Yocto tutorial series. In this video, we are going to learn about some tasks that are not included in build tasks in Yocto. So, in this video, we are going to learn about the following topics: a short overview of build tasks, a brief description of source directories, what are clean tasks, why do we need clean tasks, how do we execute them, what are the effects of each clean tasks and difference between them, and also the examples. So if you want to know about the build tasks in detail, watch my previous video on build tasks, that is the video number 9. It includes the 7 parts. So for detail, watch those videos. Now let us come back to our this video. So we have in Yocto, we have basically these 6 build tasks. These tasks depends on recipe. These tasks are mainly for the recipe, not for the image or the whole build system, but for a specific recipe. So the first task is to fetch. So what does to fetch tasks do? To fetch tasks fetches the repo, the remote repo, and download into our system. So let us see our BB example. So here we have this src URI, and here we have given this the build git repo. It can be the local repo, it can be the HTTP or any other repo, but here we are using the git repo. So this fetch tasks fetches the data from there and stores into the download folder. So basically in Bitbake we have 3 kinds of folders: a download folder where all sources are downloaded, a source folder where these downloaded sources are unpacked, and then we have a sstate cache folder. An sstate cache folder, when sources are built, then they are stored there in an encrypted way, so if no changes are made, then the build system can fetch the binaries without even extracting the original sources. So let's go back to this build task. So after the fetch we have to unpack, which unpacks the sources into this source folder which we have given in our recipe. So it is workdir and git. Then after that we have a patch. So if we have any patches available for our recipe or for our build system, then those patches are applied. For example, in our case here we have this one patch that is applied automatically. After that it comes to configuration, the configure task. So here as you can see that in our recipe we did some configuration before compiling. After the configuration comes the compile task, which compiles the image and gives us the final binary. And after the compilation comes the install task, which installs the binary and other files into the dedicated folder. In our case it is bin.dir, it is user bin, I guess. Yes. So this is the overview, but we also have some other tasks other than